At AT&T, we have a very big focus on automating various business processes. I'm looking to automate our help desk, service desk. We're partnering with Microsoft in a few of these areas, Azure OpenAI being one of them.
We build lots of different pieces of AI up in Azure, whether it's third-party AI or Microsoft native AI. We've established an AT&T tenant in Azure that we're leveraging for ChatGPT. And we're looking at it for everything from code conversion and how we can migrate legacy code bases to new code bases, to how we actually create sort of AT&T specific bodies of knowledge to enable services for the company.
Running these applications on Azure enables our developers to innovate faster and be more responsive to the marketplace. And we think there's a big upside potential there for us in terms of improving employee experiences, improving customer experiences, and also helping to drive more efficiency within our developer community.